In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and import contacts to a Mailchimp audience from a file. Whether you're looking to add a single contact or import an entire list, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's jump in. To get started, head over to the Mailchimp homepage. Once you're there, look at the top navigation bar and click on Audience. This is where you manage all your contacts, and it's the central hub for organizing your subscribers. Once you're in the Audience section, you'll see an option labeled Add Contacts. Go ahead and click on that. Now, when you select Add Contacts, Mailchimp gives you two options. You can choose to add a single contact manually or import a list of contacts all at once. First, I'll show you how to add a single contact. Click on the option for Add a Single Contact. This opens a form where you can manually enter the details for one individual. Let's start by filling in the email address field. This is a required field because Mailchimp uses email addresses to identify and send communications to your audience. Once you've added the email, you can include additional details like their physical address and birthday. Adding a birthday can be particularly helpful if you want to set up automated birthday emails or campaigns. Next, you'll see an option to add tags. Tags are a great way to organize your audience by specific criteria, such as location, interests, or customer status. For example, you could tag someone as VIP or newsletter subscriber after you've entered all the necessary details and added tags. Don't forget to click Save to store this contact in your audience. Now that we've covered how to add a single contact, let's move on to importing multiple contacts at once. This is especially useful if you have a list of contacts saved in a file and want to upload them in bulk. To begin, go back to the Add Contacts section, and this time click on Import Contacts. Here, Mailchimp will give you a few options for how you want to import your list. For this demonstration, we'll choose the option to upload a file. When you select Upload a File, Mailchimp allows you to upload a CSV or Excel file containing your contact list. Make sure your file is properly formatted before uploading. The first row of your file should include column headers like email, first name, last name, and any other details you want to include. Once your file is ready, simply click the Upload button, and Mailchimp will guide you through the process of mapping the data in your file to the appropriate fields in your audience. And that's it. You've now learned how to add a single contact as well as how to upload and import a list of contacts into your Mailchimp audience. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.